Many organizers are available in the market online and offline. Sometimes it is difficult to choose right organizers. So in today's video, I will be sharing some organizer that I have and share their advantages and drawbacks. So without any further delay, let's start the video. One of my favorite organizer is undershelf basket. We can take a multiple use of it. We usually use it like this inside or outside under cabinet. But we can use it in another way too, like this. इसे बस उल्टा करके रख देना है. Now you can see you will get lots of space above and below. Perfect organizer. We can use this organizer in our wardrobe also to maximize the storage. After keeping this like this, you can see still I have a lots of space left to utilize it. So it's your choice how you want to use it. Next organizer is also very useful organizer to hang cups. It comes in a set of 2. In one hanger you can hang 6 cups. But one drawback I found is when we hang small cups, then we can use all the hooks. But for the big mugs we have to leave one hooks. That means we have to hang in alternate hooks. Again, very useful organizer to use vertical space. Self adhesive railing hook. इसका adhesive बहुत strong है, इसमें हम कुछ भी hang कर सकते हैं and I found no drawbacks till now. Whether in a kitchen or in dining table or inside a crockery cabinet, we have so many items that is difficult to organize. Right now I have 2 Lazy Susan, one I used in a cabinet and one in fridge. They are one of the best organizer for small cabinets. That's why I highly recommend Lazy Susan for easy kitchen organization and arrange things. Easy to grab the things, no mess. दिस इज़ ओवर द डोर ऑर्गेनाइज़र. इसमें ये ड्रॉबैक है कि अगर हमने इस तरह से इसे हैंग किया और अगर हमें डोर को क्लोज़ करना है तो हम इसे क्लोज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं अगर शेल्फ में कुछ सामान रखा हो तो. डोर को अगर क्लोज़ करना है तो शेल्फ में रखे हुए सामान को हमें हटाना होगा, लेकिन वही होगा कि स्पेस का वेस्ट. और कैबिनेट डोर के बाहर अगर हैंग कर दें देन ऑल्सो डिफ़िकल्ट टू क्लोज द डोर. और अगर आपका कैबिनेट का डोर थोड़ा सा वाइड में ज़्यादा है तो ये उसमें आएगा भी नहीं. However, I am using it in my utility area and using the window grill to hang. Next is stackable organizer. It comes in set of 2, one small and one big. Very useful organizer to organize our corners of the counters. But in a cabinets, if your cabinets is not so wide, then you have to use one rack only, still using the vertical space and maximizing the storage space in the cabinet. I found it more efficient and functional in my counter. Next is again very useful organizer, that is Chakla Belan organizer. It's very difficult to keep all these things, chakla, pelan, tawa, in our kitchen. So this organizer helped me to organize all these things in a one place. And if want, it can be hanged. Next is sink organizer. Keep sponges, soap dispenser, brushes all in one place, making sink area organized. If If you want to utilize the side space of fridge, then this magnetic fridge organizer play a great role. It comes in a set of 6. In this organizer, you can use to store your wrap rolls, your scissors, your spoons and whatnot. To organize spice jars, this 3-tier organizer is awesome. Very easy to see what kept backside and to grab from the back. Cabinet look extremely beautiful and organized. But if you want to keep big containers and jars, not very efficient to use this organizer. क्योंकि इसके जो टायर्स होते हैं वो थोड़ा वाइड में छोटे होते हैं, तो बड़े कंटेनर रखने में थोड़ा सा डिफ़िकल्टी होती है. बट दिस ऑर्गेनाइजर इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर द स्मॉल जार्स. आप माइक्रोवेव का वर्टिकल स्पेस को यूज़ करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन आपको डेली माइक्रोवेव यूज़ करने के टाइम में सामान को नीचे उठाना पड़ता है, फिर वापस रखना पड़ता है. उसके लिए इस टाइप का माइक्रोवेव ऑर्गेनाइजर प्ले अ ग्रेट रोल. एंड ये ऑर्गेनाइजर माइक्रोवेव को बिल्कुल भी टच नहीं करता है. अब आपको सामान ऊपर से नीचे करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. एंड यू कैन एडजस्ट इट अकॉर्डिंग टू द साइज़ ऑफ द माइक्रोवेव. अगर आप इसी तरह के ऑर्गेनाइजर्स और डेकोर आइटम्स को ख़रीदना चाहते हैं तो मेरा लिंक बुलबुल शॉपिंग वेबसाइट जाके ज़रूर चेक कीजिएगा. वहाँ पे आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही रीज़नेबल रेट्स में मिल जाते हैं. आपको कैश ऑन डिलीवरी, फ्री डिलीवरी और उसके साथ 5 डेज रिटर्न पॉलिसी भी मिलती है. और अभी डील ऑफ द डे चल रहा है तो उसका फ़ायदा आप ज़रूर उठाएं. उसके साथ ही इफ़ यू वांट टू प्लेस योर ऑर्डर इन द व्हाट्सएप नंबर इज़ गिवन ऑन द स्क्रीन एंड ऑल द लिंक्स टू प्लेस द ऑर्डर एंड टू इंस्टॉल द ऐप आर इन डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट ऑर्गेनाइजर. दिस टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजर कम्स इन डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड शेप्स. And it can be used to organize trays, lids, pans, plates, chopping board, etc. This 2-tier organizer is very useful for countertop organization to organize oil dispensers, tea, sugar, coffee containers, and I found no drawbacks. This one is also a good organizer for the corners of countertop or cabinets. But you cannot organize many things, but very sturdy and strong. One more very strong and sturdy 2-tier organizer, but only for the corners of the counters. Many things can be organized in one place. Even we can hang if we want. When we wash utensils, we keep them on counters, making counters wet. So try using this type of sink rack. We can wash and use this rack to dry the utensils, fruits and vegetables. And at the busy morning when there is less space in counters, we can use these racks. If not in use, fold it and keep it anywhere. This is faucet drain rack, very useful to keep our sponges and soap. Next is again very strong and sturdy 2-tier organizer to organize many things in a one place. Both the racks are very wide to organize many things. These dividers play a great role to divide our cabinets of kitchen and wardrobe and to segregate our things. This organizer is expandable organizer, very good and very efficient to organize our sink area. So I hope this video will be useful for you, but whenever you buy any organizer, just buy according to your needs and see whether it is a perfect size for your kitchen and the countertop. Please consider subscribing my channel. I will meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.